Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change theme on Tradingview, okay? How do you get the dark theme on Tradingview? Now, it's very easy. I'll show you how to do this when you have a chart open or when you are just generally on a Tradingview as well. So right now, as you can see, we are on the light theme. And I'll change this to dark theme. Let me click on see on super charts. So this one opens up in a new tab. And if you have a chart opened up, what you need to do is actually come to the top left, click on your profile icon, and then right here you should see dark theme. I want you to just toggle this one on, and there you go, we have the dark theme. Now, if you are on such a view like this, what I want you to do is come here at the top, click on your profile icon, and toggle on dark theme. Really that easy, and that is how you go ahead and get dark theme on Tradingview. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.